Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. So today's video I'm going to show you my weekly skincare routine. It's kind of a deep cleansing process which helps me keep my skin clear and vibrant, and I hope it will help you guys too. The first step is to obviously clean your face. I personally use two face washes. The one at the night is for a deep cleansing purpose, and in the morning I use a gentle one. So today, as we are already going to exfoliate the skin afterwards, so I'm going to use a gentle cleanser. I'm using this Forest Essentials Kashmiri Saffron and Neem face wash. You can use any face wash you like. I really like this one. So let's just start. Now I have the face wash on my face, but I'm not going to use my fingers. I'm going to use this cute little brush I bought from Miniso. It's basically a dupe of Foreo Luna because Foreo Luna तो budget के बहुत बाहर है. This was quite cheap, around 200 rupees I think, and it works on a battery, so you can hear it, and this just exfoliates the skin really well. This face wash does not lather up too much, but it does the job really nicely. Next step is to use a face scrub, and for this I am using this Plum face scrub. It's newly launched and I have really liked it. It really brightened up my skin, so this is what I'm using today. Just make sure that while you scrub your skin, you're being very gentle with it. अब I hope आपको कैमरा पे दिख रहा होगा कि my skin is already looking a bit brighter and it is even smoother than before. I can't show you that on the camera, of course. Now the next step is masking. I keep on switching between masks basis on my skin's mood, but I'll show you some of my favorite ones. I have these three right here. This is the Mamaearth Upton face mask, and this is Nykaa Clay It Cool, and then we have the Body Shop Chinese Ginseng and Rice face mask. I really love these three face masks. I have more, but I just keep on going back to these three. And today my skin looks a bit dull, so I'm going with this Mamaearth Upton face mask. I really like the texture and the radiance that this one gives. बिल्कुल ऐसे ब्राइट सा कर देता है आपके फेस को, एंड ड्राई आउट भी नहीं करता है, सो आई रियली लाइक इट. You can see the texture is so creamy. It's very easy to apply. Now I just have to let it dry, and I know Mamaearth को लेके काफ़ी speculations है because a lot of influencers promote its product. मैं उस पर कोई comment नहीं करूँगी, but you can trust the fact that I have bought this with my own money. It's not sponsored, so I have personally used and liked it, so that's why I can totally recommend you guys to try it. Can you see the brightening effect on my skin? Now next step is again masking, but this time we are going to use a sheet mask. Now I know sheet masks थोड़े expensive होते हैं, but you know Nykaa पे most of the time there is some kind of sale going on, like buy 5 get 5 sheet masks. So just make use of those opportunities. But guys, please Nykaa के खुद के sheet masks मत खरीदना, they are totally useless. This one is from Tony Moly, and this one is again a vitamin C brightening sheet mask. So I hope इस पूरे routine के बाद मैं चांद की तरह से glow करने लग जाऊँ. Okay, so I have another tip for you. If you don't want to buy sheet masks because they are expensive, you can also buy these small capsules. Yeah, I bought them from Miniso. I don't remember the price exactly, but for 100 rupees I got a big packet, and I have seen this on Amazon too. So you just put any kind of DIY serum into these capsules, and then they swell up to become a sheet mask. How cool, right? So you can just use these two. I always struggle with opening these sheet masks. I can never do that right. I just like to put the remaining essence on my hands and elbows. So now you just have to leave this on for at least 20 minutes. Okay guys, so you can see my skin is definitely glowing and it's very moisturized and plump. The routine is almost over now. I'll just finish off with a lip balm. This one is from Kama Ayurveda, and this is not a weekly thing though, I do it daily. And we're done. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram for more beauty tips. And until the next video, bye.